We have some super important updates to talk, so I don't want to waste your time. We jump straight into it. Up to the first thing first, we are in to win $26,000 for everybody that joined me over on ZoomX, over on my team. There are 10 of us currently. We have the possibility to win $25,000 for this competition. So all you gotta do is sign through the link down below. Once you sign up, here you will see login or sign up. I'm going to show you about once you go and sign up, as you see from the screen now, go down, look for pizza. My team is Pizza Makers. Join it as you're seeing from the video, and then we will be ready to go and win the money together. Currently, as of our time trading, this has just started. The total pool reward is 720,000 and we are ranked number 5. So how do we win these rewards altogether? Simply come and join my squad. If you're looking for a squad, simply look for the pizza squad right here and join me. Pizza Makers right here. You will have the link down below. I will share you also the squad. As we see over here, we are ranked 5. So link will be down below. Come and join me, which is very, very important. Create trading volume and we are good to go. That is all you gotta do. Trading volume can be done with longing, shorting. If you go over here to futures, USDT perpetual, simply go and long and enter and close the trade. That's what I do. I enter and I close trades immediately. I don't waste time. If there is a 2% profit at 150x, I make so much volume like that, and it is helping the team. We are currently ranked 5th. So let's go to number 1. There is a $30 early sign up, so $30 rewards for everybody that signs up, as well as the nice juicy rewards right here. Come leave a like, very, very important, because there is the popularity leaderboard as well. So make sure to leave a like right here. Simply click over to the like and then you are good to go. Now we're ranked 34. I gave one mine. Simply do trading volume, like, join the squad, and then we will go and rank straight upwards. If you are looking for some trades to go and enter right now, I have added more liquidity to the Bitcoin and to the Ethereum long, as we see over here. And I think Ethereum and Bitcoin are looking very, very nice to go up. Ethereum is kind of like skyrocketing upwards, so I do believe it is gonna come really, really soon. So if you want to take some trades, I am no financial advisor whatsoever. The trade I did that you don't have to copy me are Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin long. Those are the one I did. I did put some space in between me and liquidation price, as you see over here. So be careful and be very, very sure when you go and trade. If you just want to trade to create volume for the competition, absolutely fine. Simply do some fast trading with a max leverage, 150x leverage, and simply go all in and out of the trade as soon as you see either 1% profit or 1% loss. And then we are good to go and we will get into the leaderboard and you will have the possibility to win $26,000. Talking about airdrop, we are gonna go to the voting of the Jupiter. Now, this is a very important Solana update. And as we see over here, we have a new voting proposal from Jupiter itself. So Jupiter and Juice working group, up to you. Do you wanna say yes or no to the vote? It is, you still have, by the way, 3 days to go and do it. So do hurry up. And what they want to get to 1 year budget is $282,000, 246 for the team and 36K for operation, and 355K Jupiter for alignment locked for 1 year. And despite operating on a zero budgeting, the J&J achieved these trial highlights: 7.5 million impression, 405K video views. I think it's, if they get this one, I have more video views than this one. I should be paid $282,000. For me, I go against this vote. I don't think it's worth it for only that amount of views. Then I should also be charging that one for a collaboration in the long term, which nobody does. And I don't think it's just too ridiculous in my opinion. But of course, up to you. And we will have the result in 3 days. But make sure to go and vote, because these are very important for your ASR rewards, as we see over here. The ASR rewards are really important for the distribution onto the next, I believe it is at the end of June, at the end of this month, we will have the next distribution based on the amount of voting that we had. And right now I'm on a full-on streak. Next up, we have the snapshot completed for the Solana Airdrop fuel. As we see over here, over on Drift, as of yesterday, June 2nd, 2025 at 5 p.m. UTC, a snapshot was taken for the fuel points balance for the Drift users and the total trading volume on Drift. A claim page will go live next week for eligible users. And what is this? It is simply this one. This was the fuel earn. I did rank myself 9,000 overall. And I do know my people here, as I see from the referral of people joining, I know some of you made a lot and will make a lot of airdrop rewards. So congratulations to all of you for that. Absolutely, some of you nailed it, as we see over here with the 30-day trading volume, with the referrals as well that came in, and the rewards earned from my side. So congratulations to all of you who have participated in it. You will win a lot of money. You will absolutely win the airdrop. Just go and let me know your ranking down below. We do have the portfolio situation, as we see over here, the profit and loss, the overview, the balance of what I have as well, which I currently have. I don't have anything in here because I have, taken out after the snapshot was taken, and I will join later on again. Next up, we have the Sonic Lab. The first season of the Sonic Airdrop will be distributed in 2 phases. 25% will be liquid. A quarter of your allocation will be instantly claimable for liquid S, which also means, selling it if you want to. And 75% will be vested. The rest vested over 270 days as tradable NFT with early claim birds. Now, I think it's going to go to 0. Honestly, 0 is the goal here. We will be shorting. Absolutely, yes. Why? Because they only give you 25%. Community doesn't like this. And 75% vested, meaning that in these 270 days, the team can simply dump on you. Do I like it? Do I think it's fair? Absolutely not. So my opinion on this one, get the airdrop, sell it, because they are simply not allowing you to trade the money that you basically earn with them. I don't know, I'm not a real fan of it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Here we got the days, the burning amount, whatever. I can leave you also this one. I will actually leave you the official Twitter that you can go and check this post right here in the description. So make sure to go and check it out. Next up, we have the Layer Edge airdrop claim is now live. Of course, it has gone live yesterday, but it was the only thing to talk about. And it kind of was a bit of a mess. I will leave the link down below. Simply go and connect your wallet, click on next, and see how much you're eligible. I think I spend more gas fees money to claim this airdrop than if I simply go and leave it here. So I will not even bother to do it. Just another dust airdrop. Free airdrops, guys, are not the way to go. Keep that in mind, but if you want it, go and claim it. Next up, we have the Toki airdrop. The eligibility is for the Bad Kids Art NFT holders. So this will be an airdrop. I will leave you this link down below. This is for everybody within the Cosmos ecosystem, which I am personally not. Next up, we also have the Elise airdrop phase 1, where rewards are now claimable. This will be the link. And if you want, go and claim it. Check it out. If you're part of the ecosystem, you can enter the email address, reward program eligibility checker. Simply log in with or connect your wallet. Let's go and connect our Kepler wallet right here. Let's go and put in the password for this wallet, and then you are good to go. So I think I did a little bit of an oopsie there. So here we go. Make sure to go and claim this one. I am not eligible for the rewards program right now. So these are the airdrop updates. When it comes to the trading, guys, make sure to go and join. The link will be down below for my team. By the way, this is a demo account. As I always say, this is not real money. This is not my money. The other real money on the other account. This is a demo account which we're growing, and we are up to $28,000, started from 20 with a bit of a loss as well. But make sure to go and join the trading competition. We are 10 of us. We are about to win $26,000. So make sure to go and join. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.